guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be reviewing and doing some swatches of the new KO Polish spring collection. I know I do these videos often whenever I go ahead and order it. I did order this during the pre-sale and I got it like super quick, but I just didn't have time to swatch all the nail polishes, and I didn't want to make a video where I was just talking about it. I wanted you to actually see it on my skin tone. Now I just realized that as I'm filming this, I remembered that I gave one of the colors to my best friend, so she currently has it at her house. That color is Miss Kensington. So I won't be talking about Miss Kensington in this video, but I promise that on my next video I'll have it on my hand and I'll just talk about it there in that video. So if you wanted to see that one swatched, just make sure you watch my next video, so stay tuned. But yeah, if you want to see what I think about the 5 other colors, then please keep watching. Alright, so whenever I start these videos, I go ahead and talk about my favorite color in the line, and for this spring collection, my favorite color was Celine. I was waiting for this color for so long. I thought that when she came out with her summer collection last year and she came out with 305, I thought this was going to be 305, like I was sure of it, and then it ended up being like a lime green, so I was a little disappointed. But now she came out with Celine and I was super excited. I wanted a yellow so bad because I love wearing yellow during like the spring and the summer season because it's just such a perfect spring and summer color and it goes perfect with sunflowers, and sunflowers are my favorite flower, so I was just super excited. Celine is my favorite color because out of all the nail colors in this line, I think that this has the best consistency as the polish itself. Celine is like a creamy nail polish, like it's thick, so you can really get away with one coat, but I just like putting 2 coats because I like to see like its color at its best form. But I really think that the consistency goes on so smooth on your nail. It's so different, and it has kind of like not glitter but a sheen to the color itself. I don't know, it's just so perfect. If I had to recommend one color to buy in the spring collection, it would definitely be Celine. The next color I'm going to talk about is Charmed. That is the color that I have on my nails today. Charmed is that very different color in the collection. It's one of those colors where you really can't find in another brand, and I love that Kathleen does that because, you know, a lot of people make these videos where it's like, oh, Celine is a dupe to this, oh, Pinky's a dupe to this, and they find dupes in like cheaper nail polish brands. But you can, like, if you find Charmed in another nail polish brand, please tell me, because I don't think they're as smart as Kathleen Lights, okay? But I just think that it's so different. It's very mystical, kind of like a galaxy. I don't know, it's pretty, and it's that purple. It kind of hints a little bit to the blue side depending on what lighting you are, but it's definitely more purple. I think the name also goes totally with it. I remember when she put it on Twitter and she had like, oh, what should I name a purple like galaxy nail polish, and she had Charmed as one of her options, and I was like, yes! I totally used to watch that show with my cousin like in the summer, and it just totally fits perfect with the nail polish color. I love it. This is one of my favorites as well. The next color in the collection I'm going to be talking about is Gum Would Be Perfection. This is that color where I'm like, not my favorite in the bunch, only because it's pink, and I know I've mentioned this before where I'm not a fan of pink nail polishes. Like, I just don't like the way pink, like bright pink colors look on my nails. I don't know, it makes me look like bland and not tan, and I like looking tan. So I mean, it is a beautiful color. I see it on her Instagram, like other people have it on their hands and they look beautiful. My friends wear it, they look beautiful. So it's not that the color is ugly, it's just not my like favorite type of color to wear. I think that it's a pretty color. It's definitely a bubblegum pink, so it totally fits with the name. So yeah, that is Gum Would Be Perfection. The next color I'm going to talk about is Dream Boy. This is the one color that I haven't used like for a long period of time. I just swatched it in my hand, so I can't really say like that much about it, but I do know that when I swatched it, first coat is definitely really streaky, but the second coat does the job, which a lot of nail polishes do that. You really can't depend on the first coat because it would never be its true color. It's never going to be its true form. That's like the start of it. Once you fill it up with its max capacity, then the nail polish looks great. Sometimes when I was swatching it and I would kind of focus on my light, it would look really purple, and then when I would move it a little bit, it would kind of fade to like a light blue. So it could be really tricky. You could kind of match it with both. It's definitely a really spring looking color because it's like a lavender bluish. Kathleen is tricking me with this. Like, I look at my eyes and I'm like, are you messing with me? Is it blue or is it purple? But this is a really pretty color too. I'm definitely going to be using this during the springtime. It's just like Easter colors. Like, I look at this and I'm like, Easter. If you didn't have these colors for Easter, you messed up. You messed up. All right, and the last color I'm going to be talking about today is actually my second favorite in the line, and that color is going to be Pinky. Pinky is the perfect color if first you have a job that you can't really wear nail polish. Like, they kind of tell you like, you need to keep it on the neutral side. This is the perfect color. It is so, it's, you know what's the best thing to compare it to? Back in the day, or maybe people still do this, but back in the day, when you went to go get like acrylics and you would get the French, this would be the color that they do like the base of it with, and then just put the white line. That's what Pinky reminds me of. It's like the perfect, pretty, not clear, but nudish, but not too like the skin color. It's literally like a beautiful pink, like an off-white pink. Is it white? Like an off pink. Does that make sense? I don't know. It's just so pretty. And my favorite thing to do with the color Pinky is put That's Expensive 26 over it. Oh my god. Like, it's to die for. If That's 26 is still out, I recommend you buy That's 26 and buy Pinky, put them on your nail, and you're going to fall in love. I honestly, like, I feel like I want to take off Charmed and put Pinky in That's 26 because it's just that pretty. Like, it's beautiful. But now I'm gonna keep Charmed for a little bit. But I don't know. I love this. I think it's super pretty. Even if you're going to like a baby shower, if you're going to celebrate Easter, if you're going to a wedding, it's that neutral color that matches with everything, and it just looks so pretty. It looks like your nails are just polished correctly. Like, it's beautiful. Kathleen, you did something right with Pinky. All right, but overall, I think my review on these is that this might be her best line. I just love all the colors. They're so happy, they're so poppy, like they just make you feel good. The colors are one of those things that lift up your mood. I wish that I had Miss Kensington, but Miss Kensington is that blue color in the collection. I love the color. I haven't worn it, so I can't really tell you my review on it. Maybe I should ask my best friend what she thinks because she's had it, Priscilla. But yeah, I'm just kidding, Pris. If you're watching this, I love you. I just want my nail polish back, but it's all right. But anyways, I think this is her best nail polish line so far. So if you haven't gotten any, I would definitely recommend this one. And if you don't want the whole thing, Pinky and Celine. Pinky and Celine, those are my two top. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.